Friends, in this video I am going to tell how to solve Diamond Quest puzzle by Smart Games. So first let me tell you that what all the puzzle contents are. So you will get a board, and then you will get, as you can see, there are four types of colors, and each color is having three shapes. One is circle, triangle and square. And so the total number of pieces will be 12, and plus there is a one red diamond, and that's why the name says Diamond Quest. So basically there are multiple levels from easy to expert level, and in each of the level the objective is to place all these 13 marbles on the board, given on the constraint. There will be some constraints given, and based on that you have to place the all these diamonds on the board. So let me show you by an example by solving one of the challenges. To solve challenge 55, so first let me show you the what are the rules given. So one of the rule is given that these can be square, this also has to be square, but the color is not given. Okay, so this rule only shows the shape of the pieces, that where it should put on go on the board. Now if you see the second rule, it says the color of the pieces, that this should have a orange color, this should have orange, green, blue, and like that. Now this is the third rule. The third rule says that if there is a yellow piece, then top, down, left, right, and diagonals and anti-diagonals, they cannot have a orange piece. Okay, so these are the three rules or constraint you have to given. So let's see how will you place all the pieces given these rules. So first rule says that this position there has to be a square, and second rule says it has to be orange. So which is very easy, we can just go and put orange square here. Okay, similarly the second, this position says that it has to be a square, and it has, this rule says it has to be blue. So again we can just go and put a blue square here. So this will satisfy both the rules, that it is a square also and it is a blue color also. Similarly you see here all the triangles will be there. Okay, now he is saying that it has to be triangle, and this rule is saying it has to be green. So we'll put a green triangle here. Okay, so now let's see. Then now you see it is telling that all the blue triangle has to be here, and this place has to be a blue something, which shape is not given, only the color is given. But you see that blue square we have already put, blue triangle will come somewhere here. So the only the third piece which is left is blue circle. So surely the blue circle will come here, and by the same logic orange circle will also come here. Okay, because orange triangle will come here, orange square we have already put. Okay, now let's see. Now if you notice these two positions here, they are saying that it has to be a square. So there we have two squares left, right? Orange, this green and yellow. Suppose if I put a yellow square here, this is going to violate this rule, because it is a yellow and on the diagonal, this diagonal, there is a orange. So surely this cannot come here. It has to only come here. So the green will come here. It's then now you see we have already put two greens here, and this rule is saying that this has to be a green. So the only green left is green circle. So we'll put a green circular marble here. Okay, now you see the what next is left. Now you see we will going to put a yellow triangle will come somewhere here. Okay, and this is yellow piece, but we don't know the shape, but we already know that yellow circle we have already put, so surely yellow will come here itself. Okay, now you see orange, where should we put this orange triangle? Okay, now because yellow is here, as per these rules, right, we cannot put a yellow triangle here and here, because this is blocked by this rule. So surely then yellow triangle will be put here. Okay, now if you see, if we have put a yellow piece here we cannot put orange piece here, we cannot put a yellow piece here. So that means this yellow triangle will surely come here, because we cannot put here because of this rule. Okay, now this only we are left with one blue, which will surely come here. It cannot go here because as per this rule. Now the only piece left is red. We'll just go and put it, and that's how we solve the challenge. So these, if you have seen that slowly and slowly we have built upon the to arrive at the solution. Slowly we figure out the constraint and see, deduce that, inference that, okay, what should be the position of the other color and the shape marble. So this is a very good puzzles to build the logic in the children's as well as in the adults. So, and smart game have also have various different kind of puzzles you can see on our website.